Hello there, PS here. Today we'll see about Tynker. Here is the basic path to learn your coding. Let's go to the dashboard. Today, what shall we learn first? Let's learn. Let's learn. I think we should learn Polar Rush. But before that, let's focus on our coding path because Tynker is all about that. Let's see. And for your information, Tynker is from Byju's. And if you haven't seen the part 1 of this tutorial, please check it out after this video. It has basics of things you need to know about Tynker. Let's get to it. Here is the video. Uh,
Welcome to
so it will basically tell you about Python. But I'm here for that. So in this course, we are going to be learning a programming language Python, which is basically easy. It's just English with some coding terms. So here it's, as you can see, this is the statement that it tells Python is not in the programming language out in the world. There's so many of them. Wait, did we miss anything in the page one? No, we didn't. Let's go to the page two. So, Python is in the only programming language, as I told. Dozens of them are there. You can take Ruby, Java, or Scratch, and we will be able to learn others also in upcoming courses. Um, okay, for here, it's an example to print the Python code to print all numbers from 0 to 9. But something doesn't seem right. Should we try running it? Hmm, that's great. Yeah, we are gonna be learning to make even complicated projects than these. Let's go to the next one. So this course will tell us about syntax and sequencing, which is like the programming language's grammar. Loops and patterns, everybody knows they are in Scratch too. Loops means repeating them, pattern means the patterns, logic, conditional logic, if or like that, conditional loops, that's also almost the same, but in this, the loops will be conditional and not the logic. And variables, you store information in the program within it, data types and expressions. You investigate so many types of variables that exist in Python. Turtle graphics. Turtle graphics are basically how to draw with Python. You can basically draw with code. That would be it. Okay, you can complete each lesson by reading each model carefully, solving all the programming problems. Take the quiz on at the end of the lesson. Okay, well, it's a long to go. General idea, puzzles, projects. Great. Okay, let's move on. Here it asks us below you'll see Tinker inline code editor. It's divided into two sides. Yeah. Here it will show us the preview. Here it shows us the code. Suppose here I wrote print welcome to Python. Here it will show us the output. There you go. Okay. The console window, which is nothing but this. Then let me go front. Output. As you know, humans need to be able to communicate with computers. That's a really important part. Else, computers are useless to us. And computer needs to give human like you information back too. Yeah, we just can't understand the zero and ones, which is also known as the binary language. So computer programs call this idea input and output. Input is a input is a thing that you give to the computers. If I typed hello, so there is a particular binary code for it, like 001 100. Those conversions are there. Then it will give us out in all the binary, but it will they'll change it will change the binary code to English or whatever specific language. So if it wrote 0102, some no sorry, there is not two. 010 0110 like that, and it may mean something. Let's say it will convert to hi there, like that. That's the output. We give the input. In most cases, we give the input. They give the output. In some cases, we give the output too. These are the values. So values are basically a unit of information like number or basic text to pass a value to an instruction. For example, here the value of the number 42. So if I run it, it will write 42. That's the value. Here the value can be extended with the double quotation marks. There you go. So you can assign values with it. We can use print command. Hmm. Let's say I'm excited to write this with you. Here you will get some things. Print will be right. Print. Wait. Am I missing something? Yes. You should do the brackets. So let me say Peter. This is the spelling right. Print. Wait. I am not finished yet. Peter. Oh, okay, sorry. Forward the double quotation. Let's see if it works. Yeah, like that you can write it a lot of codes for you. You can print a whole story. Let's see. Now, function. The word print is name of a function. Like functions are things just as human have certain actions. They know to perform like they can eat, they can sleep, they can dance. Computers have an extensive set of actions, known actions actually, because they can't do everything. They can do only things which we tell them to do or we code them to do. Oh, we are running the Byju's coding cup now. Let's do this quickly. I made my logo and the jersey. I saved it. Let's go back. Yay! This is my defender. That's my goalie. That's my goalie. This is my defender. That's the striker. Okay, we're all good. Continue. Start training your team and join the competition. Let's see what we'll do in this. The coding cup is really nice. What should we enter? I like Portugal. Where are you, Portugal? Portugal. Whatever you call it. It is my favorite. It will stay. Oh yeah, P is in down. Oh, yeah, we came. Poland. We're not having Portugal. Oh yeah. Team name. Yes. Mm, yeah. Oh, okay. Good. There you go. Hmm. How should we? Let's see. It's a coding.
Welcome to your training. This series of game scenarios will guide you through coding your virtual players. Once you complete basic training for your striker, defender, and goalie, you'll be able to compete against other teams in the arena. To make
Okay. I think we should code the basics. Let's see this video. I think it's very important.
Hey, soccer fans! I'm your training coach. Ready to get started? In this soccer game, you won't play with a keyboard or a game controller. You'll program a team of virtual soccer players to play the game. Enter your team into matches and watch them play and climb the leaderboard. Baiju's Coding Cup uses Tynker's visual block programming language. In Tynker, you tell the computer what to do by connecting code blocks, like this. These code blocks can instruct your virtual players to move around the field, or shoot the ball, or even choose between actions. It's up to you to code your players so they know what to do on their turn in the game. Once all three of your teammates are coded, they can play a match together as a team. Now, let's start training your players.
So I got it.
This game is played in turns, much like how players take turns in a board game. In each turn, a player can only do one action, such as move one grid space across the field or shoot the ball. This code block is the on turn event block. This marks the beginning of your player's script. On each turn, the code attached to this block will execute for that player. Here's a player who's been programmed to run towards the ball on their turn. Click on the code to see what the player does. Did you see that? The player took 3 turns to make it to the ball. Now, try it yourself.
I think this coding cup is interesting because you can.
Let's start out by coding a striker, your team's player 3.
Okay.
This move to command moves the player 1 tile towards the ball.
Okay. I think move to. There we go.
You did it!
Strikes. So, friend, that was the intro for the coding cup. Next on, we will make the video about the coding cup. Stay tuned, like, share, subscribe.